Okay, so we're now in level 8. Let's observe the maze first. From what we can see here is that this maze has only one path to the end. What I mean by that is, for example, if I reach this part, okay, when I reach here, where am I supposed to turn? I'm supposed to turn to the left, and then I'm going to keep going forward and then, go on about this maze. What I mean by there's only one path is that when I reach here, I only have to turn left. I don't need to check whether or not I have to turn left or go straight. There's only one path I have to go. So in that case, we'll just have an if condition for every single scenario. So if there's a path ahead, we're going to move forward. If there's a path to the left, we're going to turn left. If there's a path to the right, we can turn right. So this should work because there's like nothing else to consider. There's only one path. So let's just go ahead. Right, easy. I'll fast forward this. Okay, I know we're done, but there is a way to make this code slightly better. So I'm going to give a short pause to let you think about it. It's a very simple change, which will make it slightly faster. Alright, so one thing in this maze is, no matter what, we're always moving forward. Okay? So in this case, we don't actually need to check if there's a path ahead because we're always moving forward. Then after we've moved forward, only then we check whether or not we should turn left or right. So if you do it, it's pretty much the same thing, but now it's just a little bit faster. There you go. Let's move on.